Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I will be showing you a tour of the contact form we are going to create, and I will show you also how it stores data in local storage. This is the form we are going to create, the contact form. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to illustrate how it works. I'll just type in some details. So where it's got the name, I'll just type in discount master. Okay, and then on the email, I just say Udemy at discount.com. And then here message, I just say discount coming soon, and then I'll send it. Notice I've sent it. The details are still on the screen, so I use the reset to clear it. So notice the name there, Discount Master, Udemy discount. I got the spelling wrong, but it doesn't matter. It's just an illustration purpose. And then I click reset to clear the screen. So now let's have a look at where the data has been stored. So to access the local storage on your computer, just do F12 on your keyboard, and it should bring up a console like this. So I am on Chrome, I'm using Google Chrome at the moment, but most web browsers should have the same functionality. So click on resources, and then where it's got local storage, click to expand that, and then click on file. You see that? When you click on file, you see the sessions. This is what we've just submitted. The email was this, the message was this, and the name was Discount Master. When you're storing in local, when you're using local storage, it uses what is known as a key value pair. So every key must have a pair, which is a value. So the email is the key, and the value is the content that's been submitted. So this is the data. If I close my web browser and open it again, this data here will still be there. Okay, so that's what the local storage is here for. So most modern web browsers should have a local storage facility. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to close the web browser and open it again, and so that you can see that the data is still there. All right, let me close the web browser. So I click on X to exit that and close that. Okay, so I've just relaunched it. That you can see is empty. So if I go F12, the data should still be there. So I just expand that file, and you can see the data is still there. So we're going to use JavaScript to implement the local storage. So that's it for this lecture. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.